Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Khomotso Makhura. If you're new, welcome. If you've been part of the family, welcome back. So today I am back with another hair video, so please do like, comment and subscribe. So today I'll be talking about my products that I use on my hair, basically all the products that I have that are my favorite. So I have a table full of products, so I'm gonna break this down into three. So I'm gonna do products that I use for my wash day, products that I use for my LOC method, and most importantly I'm going to talk about the materials, the tools that I use for my hair. That way we know which section we're at. So without any further going anywhere, let's get right into the video. So the first product that I'm going to show you guys is my shampoos. So I'm going to show you the shampoos, the shampoo the only one that I use for my hair has to be this Dark and Lovely shampoo. As you guys can see, it says that it's a 3-in-1. It's a neutralizer, a cleanser, and it refills your hair. So I love this product for my hair because it is amazing. It's amazing, it smells good, and it does everything I need for my hair. So this is the shampoo that I use most of the time for my hair. Conditioners. So my conditioners, I like using this Dark and Lovely Au Naturel. So this Dark and Lovely Au Naturel 3-in-1 cleansing conditioner. So this, it washes your hair, detangles and treats your hair. This is my absolute favorite conditioner. I think I'm in love with your 3-in-1s because they can do everything you need all in one. So this is my favorite conditioner of all times, Yes, this is amazing on the hair. So this has oatmeal and rice cream. So this product, I use it as my conditioner. So what I do is I would wash my hair, rinse out my shampoo, and then from there on I'd put this conditioner for a good 2 to 5 minutes, and then from there on I'll take it off and my hair will smell and look and feel amazing. So this is one of my favorite products. I've been using this product for the longest time, and I'm going to tell you that this one is a keeper. This is a buy. You know, this is a buy, especially like because I like rice things, and this one is a buy. And then moving on, I have my deep conditioning. So I have my Soft and Beauty Botanicals deep conditioner. So I use this. I actually wash my hair, and then after washing my hair I put on my deep conditioner, and then I put my plastic on, and then I go to bed, and then the next morning my hair is all conditioned, and then from there on I wash it off. This is amazing for my hair. I love it. I love the smell of it. I love this. Ooh, I love the smell of it. Everything about this product is a +1. So moving on to my LOC method. So LOC means your leave-in conditioner, your oil and your creams. So first things first, I'm going to talk about my leave-in conditioner. So with my leave-in conditioner, guys, I use Auntie Jackie's leave-in conditioner, but my Auntie Jackie's leave-in conditioner finished and I couldn't go in stores to buy a new conditioner, so I did my own DIY conditioner. I don't know if you guys can see how it is over. Let me move like this. So this is my own DIY conditioner. So I'm going to talk about this one a bit later because I have a couple of products that I put in this one, and I think you guys might actually really like it because it's so good for the hair. Once you put it on your hair and you leave it there, it does miracles. So I'll speak about this leave-in conditioner later on. I hope I remember, so I will remember. Anyway, that is my only leave-in conditioner that I use. It's either I use my DIY or my Auntie Jackie's, and since I couldn't go in stores to get my Aunt Jackie's, this is the one that I'm currently using at the moment. And with my oils, I have this oil, and probably you guys know this oil. This is coconut shine generating dry oil. This works great for my hair. It has, let me do this so it focuses. So this product, it has 100% pure coconut oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil, and it's lightweight. So the minute I just put it on my hair, like I usually just spray it in the middle of my hair, and then from there on it starts flowing down, since obviously we know that it's really lightweight, and then I massage my hair with this product. So this product is amazing. I love it, I love it, I love it. I have my Jamaican black castor oil. So this is actually doing miracles for my edges. It's amazing for my edges. I have no words. This product, I just literally every night I take it and I rub it on my edges. As you guys can see, they're growing, actually growing back, which is something that I've never seen with my hair. I'm not gonna lie to anyone. This product is doing wonders for my hair. So I use this for my LOC method, or I use this one. So this is my Aunt Jackie's grapeseed and avocado oil. So this oil actually helps with your porosity levels. So it actually says that it's enriched with coconut oil, improves porosity level and moisturize balance. So this is excellent for pre-pooing. So I actually use this product and I love it. Aunt Jackie's, you are doing wonders for your girl. And then going to my creams, I have a couple of creams that I'll be showing you guys, and the first cream that I'll be showing you is my Aunt Jackie's coconut cream. Aunt Jackie's coconut cream, it's a butter cream. So this is the one I'm using for my hair. So this product, it's actually written buttercream intensive moisture sealant. So this is perfect, I mean perfect for when you are sealing your hair with your cream. This cream is everything you need, especially for your protective hairstyles. And also guys, with Aunt Jackie's, the reason I love her product, well, the product so much, is because they smell amazing. The fragrance in them is actually so amazing. And then I have my Dark and Lovely. I know you guys will be thinking, oh my gosh, she uses a lot of Dark and Lovely. I actually use a lot of Dark and Lovely for my hair because it's proven to work for my hair and it's rich. So I love products that are rich, and rich products for my hair, they work miracles. Well, except leave-in conditioners, but that's a story for another day. So this is my Au Natural Afro Moisturizing Butter. So this product, oops. So this product is amazing. It's rich, and once you put it in and you mix it with your oil and your leave-in conditioner and you do your twist outs, guys, you will never regret buying this product. It's rich and it lasts you longer. Like a small, well, actually just a small piece goes a long way. That's all I wanted to say. But this product is my go-to and my number one favorite product. And I know I keep saying favorite for everything, but it is what it is. So, and then I have my Auntie Jackie's Curlala. So this product I use when I want my hair to look curly and more defined. And this is a product that I recently just purchased, and with purchasing the product I did this hair video with it. I don't know if I'll post this first or the anti-jerkies first, but whichever one, this product is amazing, especially for those that want to have like a more defined twist outs, more defined flat twists, more defined curling hairstyles. This product is actually good for working with your hair. So this is the product. So this is my product, and oh my gosh, I love this product. And finally, I have my Dark and Lovely Amla Legend cream. So this is a wrapping oil cream. So this, after you've washed your hair and your hair is all clean, so this is a night wrap cream. So after you've washed your hair and you've put your oils in your hair and everything that you want to put in your hair, you will take this cream and then you put it on your hair with sections or however you want to put it, and you put your shower cap or your plastic, like I always put my plastic, and then afterwards you're gonna put your bonnet or your headscarf or whatever you decide to put on this one. You put it, and afterwards, guys, in the morning your hair will smell amazing. And then I have for my edges, and I use this coconut oil super control gel for edges, for dry, damaged or color treated hair. So I use this for my edges, and you guys know that I don't do a lot of edges because I don't actually know how to do them. And then also I just recently bought this molding gel wax, and shout out to Dulamo Hair. She's the one that introduced me to this product, and it's actually good for the hair, especially when you want like your sleek hairstyles. This is for you. Okay, I actually have 3 things that I use to handle my hair. So the first thing is this brush that I got. Actually, the first thing is this comb. This is like a miracle comb, especially for detangling your hair, touching your hair, doing anything with your hair. This is miracles on miracles. And then I have my Tangle Teaser. I have my Tangle Teaser brush, and this is amazing. This is great for like when you're in the shower and you're detangling your hair. It works like a boss. And then I have obviously my Afro comb. I use to just push up my hair there and there, there and there, there and there when I have to. And then I have my brush that I recently got. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this brush costed me like an arm and a leg. If you guys know a place where I can get a cheaper brush, please let your girl know, because this brush wasn't cheap, just saying. So yeah, anyway, but the bristles of the brush are really, what do you call this, the bristles of the brush are really soft and smooth, so it works well for when you want to lay your edges and you just like brush it off. Oh my god, it feels amazing. I know I've been saying amazing for the longest time, but this brush is a miracle, and when I bought it I was hoping it was going to be a miracle, and it just does the Lord's work. And that is it from me, guys. I tried to like get everything all in a really short time, so that's why I was speaking so fast, so I could see the time is moving, and I didn't want this video to be pretty long. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and also it would be really nice of you to share some of the products that you use for your hair and what's been working for you and what's not been working for you. And also I think for my, maybe when I get to 500 maybe when I get to 1,500 subscribers, I'm gonna do like a giveaway on all my Dark and Lovely products that I mentioned today, and maybe you guys will like them. I mean, you guys just need to tell your friends to subscribe and like and all of that good stuff, so we can get to 1,500. And when we get to 1,500, we give away some nice products. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.